Ain't nobody's down but us.
Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Djanesha for those who may not know, and I am back with another video. As you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing hard gel nail extensions, and this is my first time doing it. So we're going to hop right into it with nail prep. We're going to clean up our cuticles, we're going to clean it with alcohol, and we're just going to get these nails nice and ready for you. You guys, make sure y'all clean y'all utensils first before using it. I use alcohol, you can use Barbasol, you can use whatever you have, but make sure you disinfect your stuff because you don't want to get an infection. So we're going to push back our cuticles and we're just going to do our nail prep. Make sure you get them real good or you will have lifting like I did. Now I thought I did pretty good, but I had 2 nails come off, so make sure you do your nail prep correctly. Finish pushing your cuticles back. You're going to take some alcohol and just clean it off. After you finish cleaning up your cuticles, you're going to go ahead and start buffing your nails. Now, you just buffing enough to remove the shine off the nail. Do not dig in your nail with the buffer. Do not be rough. Just gently rub the buffer across your nails. It looks like it's a little rough because it's sped up, but trust me, I am going a little gently when I'm doing this because all I'm trying to do is remove the shine from on top of the nail. You're done buffing your nails. I don't show this on camera, but I did go in with an alcohol wipe just to remove that extra dust. And then we're going to head straight into putting the nails on. I had already picked out my nails before recording. If you want to know my nail sizes, here it is. My thumb is a size 1. My index finger is a size 5. My middle finger is a 4. My ring finger is a 6. And my pinky is an 8. And for the most part, for all the brands I have tried, it's the same across the board. So it just depends on the brand of your nails, but make sure you size it. And if you're in between sizes, make sure you go with the bigger size because you can always trim it down. You do not want to go with the smaller size because it will pop off. When cutting your nails to the length that you want, I just eyeball it. I don't know how to get it straight, so go find another video if you want to know how to do that. But I do cut it off, and I try to cut it a little longer than what I actually want the length, so I can just shape it down and I can get the nails like roughly around the same length and the same shape. So if you're not sure how to use the little nail cutter tool, just make sure you cut longer than what you really want, because you can always take your nail file and shave it down to the correct length that you want, and also shape it and have all the same shapes going across all your nails. I am only doing my right hand on camera because I'm doing my left hand on TikTok. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, I'm gonna leave that right here on the screen so you guys can head over there and follow me on TikTok. Okay, so what I'm doing now is buffing the nail tip into my nail. You see how I'm rubbing it? I want to make sure that it's flush together, so like it's a smooth surface. I don't want to feel nothing sticking out. I want it to be like a smooth surface. I don't really know what to call it, but just make sure you buff the nail into your nail to make it like flush together so it can be smooth. I don't know the correct term, but then that's what I'm doing. And then I buff the fake nail as well to remove the shine. Alright, so after buffing and removing the extra dust, I'm going to go in with a nail dehydrator. It's the Mia Secrets. I've been having this for a long time, and I don't know if they still make it, but if I find the link for it, I will put it in the description box. but it really helps. This is just an extra precautious measure so your nails can stay on and it don't go off. And I also use a primer as well on top of the dehydrator. This is the hard gel that I'm using, the IBD hard gel. I've used it for press on nails, but I have never used it to make an extended nail. And this was a very hard process because I could not build an apex. So these nails are not perfect whatsoever. If you're looking for perfection, step off.
Do you know what I like? What would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl.
Building the nail to the best of my ability, I go in with a small cleanup brush and I clean up around the edges and I flip my nail over so it can self level. So I am using a polygel brush, so that's probably why I'm getting the greatest results. But also after I put my nail in the nail lamp to cure, it burns so bad, so I looked up a video on TikTok.
The burning sensation you may feel while curing your nails is due to the exothermic reaction of the nail product going from liquid to solid. You're most likely to experience this while curing builder gel, but I found a few tips to help minimize this burning. My personal
So that video said go in with your slip layer first and then cure it. So I'm gonna go in with my slip layer and cure it. Then go in with my builder layer. But also she said, don't hold your finger too close to the light. Slow down the curing process because the burning sensation is the chemical bond from the gel pop, the hard gel in your nail, which is causing it to do a heat spike. So we have to slow down the curing process if it burned too bad. If I put this slip layer in, we're gonna see what happens. But after watching that video, I used some of the tips and tricks that she had. So shout out to you, girl, for helping me out because that burning sensation was not it. So I continued to build the gel. It still burnt a little bit, but it wasn't as bad as that first initial spike. So that's what we did. So I'm done building the nails. You see how thick they is, no apex, but it's okay because they still came out decent. So I do have a nail drill, but I prefer using hand files because I'm just a pro with the hand files. So I have a curved one for my cuticle and then I have a straight file. So we getting this nail together. We shaping it up, we filing, we buffing, and we just gonna get this nail together. If you have a nail drill, you can use the nail drill. I just prefer using the regular nail file. Alright, y'all, so after all that filing, we're going to go in and buff to smooth the surface because you don't want a scratched up surface when you're about to apply some gel polish. So you're going to do that, and then we're going to go into design. Alright, y'all, so everything I'm going to be using, I will leave in the description box below, and I feel like this part is very self-explanatory, and y'all can just watch and chill and vibe out and listen to the music. I was going for a chrome look, but I didn't have any chrome powder, so I just used this pearl gel from iGel Beauty, and it gave off the same look. So I like it. It came off really nice. It was like a purplish iridescent color, and I was vibing with it. So I just went with an overall purple theme, as you're gonna see when I add like the stickers and stuff like that. But it was really cute.
Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my trust. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my trust.
Alright, you guys, so y'all know the 3D thing is all the hype right now. And y'all, let me tell you, I just ate that design up. I ate it up. It was so cute. So I like the little 3D look. On this hand, it was looking real good. On my right hand or my left hand, it wasn't looking too good. But like, I ate this setup. If the shape and the apex was there, this would have been a good, really great set. After we're done top coating all our nails, we're going to actually go in with some cuticle oil that I created, and we're going to just put some cuticle oil on our cuticles, have them nice and shiny and healthy. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.